Little girls, see how calm they are? Look, see?
Yeah.
They're not crazy. They're not killer bees. These are nice, calm bees. See, that one's got pollen on her legs right there. See her? Okay.
You comfortable?
Gotta make sure my smoker's working first. Making a cool white smoke, meaning I don't have bits of flame shooting out. I gotta get some air in here because this also tells me which way the wind's blowing too, see? Yeah.
Sagan, you coming over?
I don't know how they're going to react right now, so I'm going to put on my gloves as a precaution.
I see some of them.
You can go in front of the hive right now. They're not going to bug you because I haven't done anything to them yet.
They're going out and in.
Yeah.
They're really busy, especially that one.
Busy bees. They're just pouring out. You see, you can get close without, see that?
Yeah.
See how they're not stinging or anything? They're just looking. Now there's guard bees. Some of these bees are learning where the hive is. They're doing their orientation flight. Okay, I don't have much time, so. Fire back.
What you think?
This is pretty nice.
Got my hive tool. Okay. Try to move quick. I'll put the lid on the ground. I've got a feeder. I got to take this off. Take a quick look. Look who's all eating right now at the feeder. Sagan, come here. Look, they're all eating the sugar at the feeder. See that?
Yeah.
Come here, Mom.
They're all eating sugar.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to take this out because pretty soon I'm going to be switching to sugar water. I'm going to put this over here. See, right now they're saying, hey, what's going on? This is just a cover I used. This is your inner cover. I'm going to crack this open. That bee. I'll put this on here.
Close up look.
See them right now? I'm going to give them some smoke to tell them to go down. That'll work with the wind.
Maybe I should be on the
I
other
should have
side.
packed this better. I think it had too much old. See how they go down when I smoke it?
Causes
Okay.
panic and tells them to go.
Got me a frame holder. I'll put this here. I need to crack a frame out of the way. Propolis is keeping everything bound together. I'll take this outer frame out first so I can take a look at it, see what it's doing. Wow, this baby is empty. Hardly anything in it. There's no nectar in it. Yeah. I've got one box on here. There's no nectar on the outer frame. Nothing. So that tells me I'm probably going to have to help these guys by giving them some sugar syrup, because they may not have enough resources. Let's take a look at the second frame. Boom. We have some honey here, capped honey, just a little bit. Frame number 2 on that side. A little bit right there. Hardly anything at all. I'm just going to move this over here. Alright, let's crack the rest of these open. The closer we move to the middle, Sagan,
Yeah.
the closer we get to any potential babies, if they have any brood. Okay, here's a frame. Good.
Wow.
Lots of honey in there still.
Wow.
You know, well, not really a whole lot. They are running low. Put this one back. Sorry, girls. I'm thinking the queen's here. Looks like they're all trying to come up, take a peek.
They're guarding.
Yeah. Yeah. This is good. They still got some good stores here. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's a lot.
See that one sticking his head in there? Saying they're drinking? Because they smell that smoke. Okay, so we're in frame number 1, 2. And this is frame number 4. Frame number 5 is usually where we're going to find any brood, if there is any. Which is going to be this frame.
Do you know what brood
1, 2,
is?
3, 4, 5. I'm going to smoke them a little bit. Come on, girls, go back down. Calm down. I got to be careful lifting these out. I don't want the queen to drop out. So far, they've got some, see that right there, that yellow stuff?
Yeah.
That's pollen. Okay, they're bringing what very little pollen they have. Right now I think the red maple's blooming a little bit. So they're storing that pollen as we bring it in. These guys are pretty quiet. Oh, small hive beetle right there. Jerk. Hello, girls. See how calm they are? Look. See?
Yeah.
They're not crazy. They're not killer bees. These are nice, calm bees. See, that one's got pollen on her legs right there. See her? Okay, so I'm not seeing a queen here. She's probably in the next frame over. Okay, that's a pollen and nectar frame. I'm going to say that, do these guys have enough to take them all the way through February? I don't know. Yeah, girls. I don't want to crush you. Okay, let's see if there's any brood. Nope. No brood. Wait, we do have brood actually. Look at this. The queen is laying. See the white right there? The queen is in fact laying. Right there.
Hooray.
There's a queen here somewhere. And she's laying because she's got a pupa. And this is all cat brood. This will hatch out in probably like 8 to 9 days. So let's see if we can find a queen on this frame. The queens, they like to hide. See right, well, okay, you see my veil right now, how they're kind of flying around me now?
Yeah.
Now they're getting serious. But I'm protected. I don't see the queen here, as far as I can tell. Nope. So yeah, we have brood. They're laying. We have brood on both sides. See that?
Yeah.
Brood on that side. Definitely laying. Now, once things start warming up, say again, what's going to happen is the queen's going to start laying like crazy. And she's going to run out of room. Uh-oh, I just saw a guard come out and fly at me. Sorry. I'm being a little rough. And queen. More brood on this frame. Lots of brood. I've got a bee bumping into my veil saying, hey, get away. Where's the queen? I don't see her here on this frame. But, oh, look at that. Right there. That big bumpy thing right here, Sagan?
Yeah.
That's drone brood. So she's actually laying a drone right there.
The drone.
Yeah. It's a little bit early for drone brood, but I don't know. What?
It's good.
Well, usually when they start laying drone brood, that means they're getting ready to mate or swarm. I'm thinking this hive, they're starting to get annoyed with me now. I'm going to check the next frame over.
They're getting much louder.
Yeah, they're getting louder. Because look at all this. See this stuff right here
Yeah.
on top? That's pollen that had fallen out.
You see the guard bees, Sagan? They're
Yep,
all
see
looking
them
at
all
him.
lined up right there?
They're looking.
Yeah, they're watching. That's probably where the queen ran to. Boom. Look at that. More cat brood. Wow.
Wow. You're gonna have a
These
lot
are
of
going to be
bees.
the summer bees right here. She's coming in. We're still not seeing the queen. She might be on that frame. I don't know. I wish I could see her. So this is 3 frames with brood on it, right?
Yeah.
Is this the 3rd frame? 3 frames with brood. And each frame has
Let's try on the next one.
each frame has honey. See, it's hard to handle. See, they're still not going crazy yet, but wow.
The queen's probably on this one.
I think what I'm seeing is I haven't seen any swarm cells. And yeah. I think these guys are okay. I'm not going to give them any feed.
Yeah, that's nice.
I'm hoping that by the time they get through this honey they have stored, we're going to have a nectar flow coming in.
Yeah.
Remember, it's right now it's only February, right?
Yeah.
And usually they start having a nectar flow in March. So we still have a whole month before a nectar flow. Yeah. Some honey on this edge, more here. I think they're good. Okay, let's put their house back together. With this frame, we're always going to put them back to where they were. Sorry, girls. I try to do this without killing or pinching any bees. Oh, that one just flew right at me. Sorry, sweetie. Let's move this one over. I need to make room for these 2 frames to go back in, Sagan. It's so hard to move because they have this resin on the side. See this stuff here?
Yeah.
That's called propolis. Right here. It's like this stuff here. This is what the bees use to seal their hive. It's like insulation. It helps keep their hive sealed from outside air, from other bugs getting in there. It's very antiseptic. It seals out bacteria.
Probably smoke to calm them down again.
No, they had enough smoke. We're putting them away. Yeah, this comb's not drawn out, but remember it's an outside comb. I mean, it doesn't have any nectar in it, but it's an outside comb.
Yeah.
See, I can't fit this one in, so let's squish everything this direction. Well, sometimes it's good to switch out the boxes, put a new box in, and you have to clean them out.
Looks like they're all going back inside over there.
So I go like this, right? Push them in one direction this way, and then push them again in this way, so that it's even. Okay, see how they're all clustered back here?
Yeah.
You notice how they didn't go crazy and attack us or anything,
Yeah.
and you're safe. This one's.
Papa was even petting them.
I'm gonna put this cover back on. Try not to squish any bees in the process. I'm gonna go ahead and
Hey, there's some sugar on the top.
yep.
Mm.
I don't know what the weather is gonna be like, but if it's bad, I could always feed them. So for now, I'm gonna take the sugar off and just put the beehive back to the way it was. Just like this. Without this sugar here.
They're all going back inside.
Yeah, and they're all wanting this sugar too, but
I think it's getting cold.
sorry girls. I'm gonna have to leave this out here. Okay, girls. Right here. I'll leave that like that, and then what will happen is, once they get what they need, they'll go back in the hive, and then I can take that back when it gets dark tonight. Okay, that hive's good.
How was it?
It's good.
Was it interesting?
Yeah.
Do you want to go back in or are you staying out here?
I guess staying out here.
Okay, I'm going to go back inside.